But since we were on the subject of oil, we'll talk to you about the big gainers and losers from this fall that we have seen in crude oil prices, from the highs of $81 a barrel yesterday, now sub 70. Sudarshan is here with all that analysis. Sudarshan.
So we'll start with the companies which might be impacted negatively, and those companies are upstream companies, upstream oil companies they are called, and those are ONGC and Oil India. If there is a significant fall in the crude, say for example there is $1 fall, so basically $1 fall impacts annual revenue of these companies in the range of rupees 300 to 400 crore. But in contrary, fall in the crude is positive for downstream companies like OMCs, and those are IOC, BPCL and HPCL. If there is a $1 fall in the crude, it impacts these companies' EBITDA positively in the range of rupees 200 and 300 crore. Now, apart from oil companies, fall in crude also impacts positively to paint companies, because up to 50% of their input costs are linked to crude, and if there is a major fall in the crude, it basically helps their revenue and EBITDA. And last part is the company, it helps aviation companies, because for aviation companies, ATF is the major input cost. ATF is known as aviation turbine fuel, so it's positive for Indigo, and that's the reason you are seeing a major move in these companies which are impacted positively, and companies like ONGC and Oil India are down in the trade.
Absolutely, Sudarshan. Thank you so much for that. Keeping an eye out on all these companies which get affected by crude because they use crude or crude derivatives in their raw material. Next talk that we are putting